Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful leaf step by step. So let's go. Start the slip knot, then chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop 9 times, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last time. Yarn will put through all 10 loops. Then make a slip stitch in next chain and repeat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop and repeat 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Yarn will pull through all 10 loops. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. I crocheted left side of my branch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 9. Yarn will pull through all 10 loops. Make a slip stitch in the remaining chain. And make a slip stitch in one loop of my previous leaf and one loop of my first chain of my previous leaf. Make a slip stitch. Chain 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next chain and pull up loop 9 times. 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, and last time. Yani we pull through all 10 loops. Then make a slip stitch in these 2 loops. One loop of my leaf and one loop of my chain. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a slip stitch in this loop of my leaf and one loop of my chain. Make a slip stitch. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Then make a leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Never pull through all 10 loops. Make a slip stitch in one loop of my front leaf and one loop of this chain. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch in one loop of my front leaf and one loop of my chain. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains and repeat. I crocheted my leaves. My leaf branch is ready. At the end, make a slip stitch in remaining chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you for watching my video and for your time. I appreciate your feedback. I hope you like this video. Your suggestions can help me a lot. If you like the video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Wishing you success in everything you pursue. Take care. Bye.